What's up? Big fan, bro. Respect the hustle, man. What's up? Big fan, bro. Respect the hustle. Nah. Yo, sikhona. Lalela. Sengikhona, anginakile, ngiyacabanga. Sorry. Angiboni sengikhona. Anyways, right now, ngifuna sikhulume ngani? Feminism. That's what I want us to discuss. Feminism. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on feminism? Is it good? Is it bad? Nithini nina? Angizwe ngani? Sanibonani, nantanilele. Ithi nilele mina. Ithi nje nilele. Cishe ama-request, yeah. Ithi nilele. I just wanted to discuss feminism. Focus more kakhulu futhi on feminism. Try to figure out, is it good? Is it bad? Hayibo, ngenzani manje? Uvele ezinye izinto la. Vele u-Elizabeth engingakazi.
Oh, no. I think this happened by accident. Sorry.
Yeah, on my side too, bye. Yeah, ngifuna sikhulume nge-feminism, guys. Yazi kade ningekho. Ama-live ami ake ashuba kulezi nsuku. Ake ashuba ama-live ami. Bethukana, bethethisana. It was all about, it was all about religion, yabo. Namhlanje, I would like for us to discuss feminism and figure out, especially since sinalento esanda kwenzeka le enkulu le, this big protest enkulu, yabo. Now, the whole thing around it is justice for women rights, which is a good thing, man. Kumele kuphele i-GBV, kumele nje abantu besifazane bafile safe around us. Now, my thing is, feminism, is it good? Is it bad? Zero Sign of the Soil, sanibonani, yes. We have plenty of movies that are being released. Yeah, we do actually, as I said. A lot is happening. A lot is happening. And if sizama ukugoqa konke ngesiqede, that's how bad things are, right? But it is what it is, man. Life, ama-ups and ama-downs. Thini topic? Normally, feminism is too much. Thini now? What do you want to discuss? Into engimubhekayo, khona into engimubhekayo la engifuna ukujoyina i-live yakhe, manje ngiyambheka. Hopefully ngizomthola. Hopefully ngizomthola. Yeah, but what's this uTamara? Is it the Tamara that I think? Washonaphi uTamara? Hey, washonaphi uTamara? Ngiyamkhumbula uTamara. Animazi uTamara. Damn it, man. Animazi uTamara. Washonaphi uTamara? Everyone was supporting her, and then suddenly she disappeared, man. What happened to Tamara? Yes. Nami ngenzani? Nami isaphi? Nami ngenzani? Does anyone know? Just ngiyakuziba yabo manje ngenze enye into kwi-screen sami whilst ngikhuluma. Khona umuntu engimbhekayo uthe angibe live mese ngijoyina yena. Manje ngiyambheka la. Kodwa ngiyabuza nguTamara. Thini indaba yakhe? Sasimsupport-a. We were team Tamara. Ngiyabonga for the gift. We were team Tamara, and then suddenly saphenduka saba amapixipixi samjikela. Ugogo Dabula. Ungene kugogo Dabula. Awu ugogo Dabula madoda. Isangoma. Angazi ngibe live nesangoma. Oh, seke. But Sengibona ama-comment enu real quick before ngiqhubeka ngibheke. What petition manje was denied? The petition was denied. Yiphi i-petition? Hayibo. Ngilethi mina kulezi zinto zo-social media. Ngingena la mangizophosta amavidiyo or mawukuthi mhlampe ngizokwenza ama-live kanje. Angazi lutho mina. Was cancelled kanjani? Ngi-invite abanye nami ngifuna abanye. Manje kwanami khona engibabhekayo nami. What petition was denied, guys? What's happening? Kwenzekalani? Ngaze ngalethi. Kuningi okuthrendayo. Yezwa. Phela thina manje asisitholi isikhathi. Kumele nisi-update kwinto ey'kanje. I haven't even, yabo, if you've noticed, I haven't even made like i-video entsha. Cabanga. That's how busy I am kulezi nsuku. Anginangisho i-video entsha. The last video I've made was i-video ya 7 rand to $1. Yabo. That's the last video I've made, actually. Video ya 7 rand to $1. Uphi lo? Because ngiyazi u-live. Wona manje uzothetha katsa 000. Awungenanga. Phela yami sengikurequestile. Ngiyambheka manje. Akaveli. And uzosenza. It's okay though. Yo. Ngilinde ngiqale. Lapho khona into engiyenzayo cabanga. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu khona into engiyenzayo. Khona i-live engiyibhekayo. Engiceliwe ukuthi cela ngijoyine kuyona. Angisayibheka la. Ngithi nalento awukwazi ngisho ukusesha. Awufuna i-specific live stream awukwazi ngisho ukuyisesha. Awuvumi u-TikTok uyosesha. Sesha. Khona ugatsheni. Hayi awufuni ukungena kule. Amasabe bodyguard. Habe sengidinga ama-bodyguard manje. Habe. Yindaba why? Why with the bodyguards? Why? Senifuna ungithuma uphuthu. Phela senifuna ungithuma uphuthu phela. Anithi I need ama-bodyguards. Into engisayibheka la Jesu kambe ngivela kanjani lapho? Njengoba ngiresearch le. Angingene-ke lapha. Singena kanjani? Kulungile. Hhayi anginifake kulungile. Ayenzele into ebengifuna ukuyenza. It's fine. Angivele nginifake nje. Vele siyikhulume nani le nto le, siyidiscusse, figure out a way forward. Hawu, Rudy. Mhm.
Thank you, baby.
Hawu,
How are you?
kunjani? How are you?
I'm good. How about you? Thank you so much.
Life is good, Rudy. Life is really good, man. I don't really have any complaints.
All right.
Yeah. What about you on your side? Is life good?
Yeah, life is good. Thank you, Adam.
Bro, I love the accent though. I love the accents.
Yeah, I'm Nigeria.
You're Nigerian?
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you
And
South
what do you do for a
African?
living? Me?
Like,
Of course. How did you know though? How did you know?
your
The
accent
forehead.
gave you out.
Uh-huh.
Your accent gave you out.
Okay. And what do you do for what do you do? What does Rudy do for a living?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Rudy, stop holding them now. Now stop holding them.
I'm looking. I'm trying to do my
You,
stuff.
I can't take you serious. You need to stop. Like fasten the other one too. The other one. Yes, what, Rudy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to focus now. I'm trying to focus, right?
Yeah, fuck right
We're
now.
having we're having like an intelligence conversation, me and you, right? I first need you to fasten those two buttons that are left.
I should
What
do
left?
it.
Please, I can't focus. I'm
I
trying my
do.
hardest.
Well, this is bed chest. Why can't you focus?
Because like my mother always told me that it needs to at least be here. Yeah. Anyways, what does Rudy do for a living?
Told you I'm an entrepreneur.
Huh?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Where you securing the bag? You're securing the bag. Wow. Wow. Uh-huh. Shine. You're doing the most. You're doing the most. And money is very important. Money is very important.
Of course.
Yeah. The only place where money like wouldn't be like needed is like in a relationship. Because I feel like love is all you need.
Right.
Right?
I look at me. Money is very important. Love is not all I need.
No, but Rudy, listen. If like he loves you truly with all his heart, I mean, even if there's no money, right?
So, if he truly loves me, what will happen?
Maybe you can be together, live you happily ever
Thank you,
after.
Mother.
If he truly loves you, mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, what are we going to eat? Are we going
If
to
he
eat love?
truly loves you, God will provide, Rudy. God will provide if love is there.
Okay. Alright, thank you for the harmony. Alright.
Do you, uh you agree with me, Rudy, right? You
Yeah, I
agree with
agree with
me.
you.
If love is there, man, I feel like love is the key to everything in this world.
Yeah. If love is there, God will provide.
God will provide. I'm glad you understand. I'm
I
sure
see.
you're not the
Thank you for
type who goes for guys with money.
I
I'm sure you
see.
don't go for guys with money. I don't.
Me?
That's a turn off. That's a red. Yeah.
I do. I like money. I like guys that have money.
No, Rudy, search for love, not money.
Leave me alone. Zero. You go and look for love and leave money alone. Hunger, if hunger cash people carry your love and eat it.
But God will provide. Don't you believe in God? God will provide.
Of course, I do believe in God.
God will make sure you're fed. God will make sure that your hair is
AJ
done,
fine.
your nails are done, your lips are on fleek. Not everything will be clothes, everything.
Hi AJ, how are you doing? Zero. I'm not in the mood for this your love talk.
Yeah.
How are you
Why?
doing, AJ? I'm good.
Aye. Rudy, you're confusing me now. Eh?
I'm good. How is your day
You're
going?
confusing me.
Why are you confused?
You're acting as if money is the most important thing in this world.
The money is important
No,
now.
but not for everything.
AJ, how is your day going? Are you still there? Zero. I'm gonna play with you later. I know you don't used to follow anybody. You're following only 9 people and you got like 400 and something K followers. I mean, you don't follow people.
Yeah, I don't really follow people. You can follow me if you want, though. You can follow me. You going to
Okay,
follow
my
me?
day went well. No, I don't want to be a fan.
You don't want to be my fan. Why? A lot of people are my fans in South Africa. Maybe you can join. Be a
No,
groupie.
I don't like groupies. AJ, longest time. How have you been? Alright, Zero, bye.
Hey, bye. Bye, Rudy. Bye. Hey, 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 hey. Untuqisha wathola isilekwini. Hey, hey, hey. Besodla ama-naira. Hey, 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 hey. Tshena. Thatha 1,000 once a month. Good. Hambe ngithi shwi Nigeria. Fike lapha eNigeria ngibe billionaire. Ay. Thiwa. 0 billion. Cishe ngayitholela ngashweba uRudi man. Fika lapha babazi uRudi. Hayi billion. Ngithi hayi khululeka. We got the nairas, we got the rands. Hayi. Kulungile kodwa. Kulungile. Zinara. Hayi. Ngibe izillionaire. Bengisaba u-0, bengizoba u-zillionaire. Yabo, thathe nje 1,000 fike laphana i-billionaire. Hayi, tshena mfana. Yazi ngizobe senginemali ongibengezelayo ngizothi akathinte la siphongo sami somhlaba. Hayi. It's okay guys, it's okay. Kulungile. uRudy bengizomgcwalisela. Bezolibona mfana, bezobona uRudy. Let's see who else am I gonna bother? Good news. Amen. Who else? Ngingenela kuma-live abantu nje kwamanje until like I figure out what's the next topic. Get yourself a Nigerian girl, man. Yazi nje every month uthi shwi e-Nigeria 1,000 fike ube billionaire lapha. Tshena bakubize ngopapa. Hey, papa. Hey. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Like it's the same thing abayenza amabila abase-America. Bafike with their dollars. Then they take the girls. Because phela manje sebama-rand in years. Million rand in years. Is it rand in years? Is it, what do we call it? Rand in years. Randoons. Ngizobizwa ngo-Oka. Hayi, ngizobizwa ngo-Oka. Ngizobizwa ngo-Oka. Yeah, talk about the purple thing. The purple thing though. Like, when it comes to the purple thing. When it comes to the purple thing, yeah. Hi. Angazi ngizoqalaphi because I don't really know. I hope it works out. And if it doesn't work out, we'll need to find out what was the distraction that made Abantu forget ukuthi they wanted freedom. But that's only if it doesn't work out. Hopefully it does work out. Abantu besifazane they get lento abayifunayo. It would be sad mangathi ingasebenzi. Really hope it works out for them. Because ngiyazi ngenzeka kuvuka i-distraction izinto engingayisenzeka ngale ndlela ekumele ngabe senzeka ngayo. Sobona kodwa, sobona. Ngingena kwi-live yabantu, yabo nje. Angithume ama-request lawa angibona. Busy, ngiyathepha ama-celebrity ngiyathepha. Bangigabha bani. Eyi, angizolala khona indlela engikhathele ngayo. Yasekhaya-ke licula nje ubaba. Ngihleli nobaba. Hayi bo, baze bangigabha namhlanje. Nasi isidudla. Oh, man. Working, having a job is not fun. Working is not fun. It's a horrible experience. Hlezi ukhathele. Hey, kumele nginifake manje. Same topic, the purple thing. Suthini ngale nto ye-purple? Suthini? Because ngiyafuna ungifaka. Mina ngiyani ungifaka. But manje sukhuluma suthini? Yabo. Funa abantu abazobakaza la. Suthini? And I need new people, man. I-panel yami isihlezi kulabantu ababodwa. Hi. Hello.
Can you hear me? Okay, I'm muted. I didn't even know. How you doing?
I'm good. And you, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm very fine. I love your accents. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. Can you say water?
What are you trying
Come on,
to...
please. No, but just can you just say water?
Are you trying to embarrass me?
No, I'm not. I'm not. It's the accent. I love it, man. I love it. I want to see how you say water. I want to hear it. I'm saying it too. I'm saying water. Now you say it, please.
You're trying to do something with that.
No, I would never. Me, I would never. I would never. I'm a saint, an angel. I even go to church. I believe in God. How
I'm
was your
finding it
day?
very difficult to believe you. But my day was fine.
Where are you from?
Guess.
Australia.
Australia.
Australia. The
I
accent,
don't know
it's
why.
giving. It's giving Australia. That's why I said, please say water. I want to see how you pronounce it. It's giving Australia. I'm telling you, and the eyes just tell it all. And you know they say the eyes are the windows to the soul, right? So I feel like at this point I know your soul.
I'm Nigerian.
You're Nigerian. You're lying. It can't be. It can't be. It can't be. How can you be Nigerian? Are you
Why?
sure? Maybe you were adopted. Did your parents tell you where you really are from?
No.
Those
But I'm
eyes,
sure I'm
those
Nigerian.
eyes, they can't be Nigerian.
What happened to
Huh?
my eyes?
Those eyes, they can't be Nigerian.
What happened to my eyes then? Why
Can
is
you,
everybody talking about them?
they look nice. They look nice, man. They look nice. They're very nice.
Thank you. But
So,
I'm Nigerian.
yeah. So, can you say water now? I think we're friends now. So
Now,
can you say what?
now I don't even know how to
At
pronounce
this
water.
point, we're
I
friends.
don't even know.
At this point, we've bonded. We've bonded over your eyes. We're close friends. We're besties at this point.
I don't even know
So
how to
yeah, just
pronounce
say
it.
water.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Try, keep trying. Try your best.
Why
Try your best.
you make it so difficult for me?
And I know. It's the Riz. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make it difficult. We really wanna hear you say water. It's 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 I don't know how to say, but it sounds nice when you say it.
Water.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. That's why I say it can't be that you're Nigerian. Look at the way you said water.
What about how? I don't understand.
And you say, no, just say it again and really listen to yourself when you say the word.
What about me saying water? I don't understand.
I.
What is so special about that?
You just
Please, I
said
beg, what
water.
about help me?
You did it again. You did it again. You did it again.
But what
Wow.
about it?
I think you should do like your content on TikTok. It should just be around you saying the word water in different places. Maybe you're sitting in the car, got your camera, and you're like, water.
But what's so
Maybe
special about it?
a lot is special.
Oh,
Are you married?
why?
Because I just want to know. Are
You
you
have a
married?
husband for me.
No,
Happy
no,
hi.
no, no, no,
No?
no husband.
Where are you from?
No, no husband for you.
Hmm.
I'm from South Africa. I'm from
Oh,
South
South
Africa.
Africa. Okay.
Yeah. Have you ever been to South Africa?
No.
Would you like to come to South Africa
No,
for a vacation?
no.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Hey,
What's in South Africa to see?
hey. Everything, everything, everything.
But just tell
We
me
have everything.
one interesting thing to see
There's
in
a
South Africa.
lot. There's a lot. There's a lot. We have women with nyash.
We
We
have women in Nyash
do
too
you
in
have nyash?
Nigeria.
Do you have nyash?
Of course I do. Everybody does, right?
Aye, 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 aye. You have nyash?
Everybody does. You too, you have Nyash
No.
now.
Okay, okay, okay. Stand up and do a 360. You don't have
Let's
nyash?
assume let's assume
Huh?
you're dropping rants over here. Then you can tell me what to
Mm,
do. But
of course. Let's see
I should
that
just get up
nyash.
and
We
you
want
want to
all we
see.
want to see.
Oh, you too, you have
Yeah,
Nyash
just
now. You can
stand
show
up.
me your own. Show me yours.
No, no, no. Just stand up and at least fix the curtains. Let's see. Just real
Oh,
quick.
wait.
2 minutes.
You
One
said
minute.
no. Listen, you said no. You don't want to show me yours, right?
Uh-huh. You want us? Okay, let's show each other our nyashes. Let's both show our nyash.
Okay, you go first.
No, ladies first, of course.
No, no, no. Go first.
No, I'm being a gentleman. I was taught very well to just ladies first. Show us the nyash. You're not gonna do
It
it.
looks like you don't
You're
have
thinking about
any.
doing it though.
No, no.
I'm telling you, I'm packing. I'm packing down there. I'm packing. Big time. Big time. Big time.
It should at least
Big
show
time.
on your cheek.
I'm telling you, South Africans, we're packing. I'm packing. Big time. Telling you, man. It's a,
What's so
it's a
special
big, it's a
about it?
big black man with an anaconda, the biggest you've ever seen, man.
Yeah, but you
Telling
don't
you,
see
the biggest.
any of those big bundas. You don't see them in beauty pageants. What do you say about that?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Why? Because those pageants are for white people.
Hmm?
Because those pageants are for white people. White people don't appreciate
No.
nyash like black people. Black people, we appreciate good nyash.
For what?
Oh,
What do you use it
I
for?
would appreciate if
Have you
if
seen
ever I was to
those
see your
big?
nyash, I would
Listen. Have
appreciate
you
it.
seen? Have you seen those nyashes when they are 60 years old? It's useless.
No, it's not useless. Don't say that. Nyash is never useless.
Yes, it is.
Nyash is no, 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 no. Nyash is not useless.
Yes, it is. Trust me.
Why are you saying Nyash is useless?
Why are we having that conversation?
You're a hater. Because you're a hater. You don't wanna show me your Nyash. You're a hater.
Do you know I'm the
Now I
prince
have
of
to go to
Nigeria too? I'm the princess of Nigeria. I'm a princess in Nigeria. Do you know that, Kira?
good for you, princess. Good for you, princess. Please show us your
They
Nyash.
said you're a prince. And I'm also telling them that I
I'm a
am.
prince. I'm not a prince.
Oh, you're not?
I'm not a prince though. I would never date you. But I'm not a prince though, Mina. Mina, I would never date you.
You never date me.
I would never date you. I feel like you're too good for me. You're too good for me.
Of course I am, but I mean it's okay. You don't have to
Mm,
like.
you're the best. No, I've given up. I've given up on the idea. It can never happen. You're too good. Don't bite your lips like that now. Don't. Why? Why? Why are you seducing me with your lips now? See, look
Seducing
at you
you.
now. You seducing me with your lips. Yeah, I see you biting your lips like, you seducing me now.
No,
Don't do
I'm not
that.
trying to seduce you. It's because they are dry and I'm trying to just moisturize it with nature. That's why I'm licking on them.
They try.
Not because of you, okay? So,
I didn't say. Okay, but just let me see half of
so
your
I see
body
you
then.
have like almost 500,000. You're a celebrity or something. You're a comedian.
Yeah, I'm not a comedian. Not a comedian, but I am really famous in South Africa. Like really famous. And I only just started social media like I think 2 months ago.
And you're
hmm
already famous.
I was already famous before it, but my fans they asked me to open like a social media, a TikTok page, so I
Mm,
did that. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna follow you. You're gonna follow me back.
Yeah.
No, no. Bye, bye, bye.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too. Bye.
Cheers. Hayi, khululeka ngiyayixoxela nje naye. Hayi, ndaba zama siyaxoxa nje. Ngisazonifaka nina, ngihlezi nginifaka, niyazazi nje. Nina nihlezi ningenza nginifaka, ngiyanifaka nina. Nina nje ngiyanifaka nina. Nina nithukane laphayana, nithukane ngesonto.
Mom, niliitikishwa kutoka
Sawubona.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ngiyaphila nami. I'm okay. I'm okay. It's been so long. Wow. Wow.
So you want a party?
You don't remember me? Huh?
Am I supposed to remember
What is
you?
what are you saying?
You know me? You
Eh,
know me?
you don't remember me? Yeah, of course.
Mm-mm.
You forgot me. Focus, like focus. Try to remember. At the mall. At the mall.
What?
Came to you. You were walking. At the mall. Came to you. You were walking.
Do you say I was walking?
You were walking at the mall. I came to you. You were wearing black pants. Was the pants? Was it skirts? Yeah. Don't remember. It was black.
No, I don't remember. And actually, your voice is so down. I can't even hear you clearly.
You can't hear me. I'm sorry. Enjoy the rest of your day, though. Bye. ngifisa nginifake ngoba vele ngiyibhorele kwanami yazi kahle kumele ngabe ngilele mina manje. Let me allow amalokhuzana, let me allow ama-requests. Ulele welele ukubhurekile, ngibhurekile welele. Lelo, you're always here whenever I'm live, like you here man. Khona ngisho sesiphindile namhlanje ziyakhala. khona Siphindile, khona I'm gonna allow amalokhuzana mfaka untando uthi akunathopiki kodwa kubhizi ngingena kuma-live abantu bhoreyile khona uFelo M ngiyamcikani uFelo M Lelo awulali you don't sleep Lelo
Ngizolala kanjani mina kodwa yini?
I guess
Ngizolala kanjani mina?
awulalwe Lelo you worry us okombisa emini that's why Lelo you worry us man mesihlanganisa iy'mali ey'ncane
Bawuthi ngizekhaya mina.
hayi mesihlanganisa iy'mali ey'ncane nje makuphume noma u-$400 sikuthumele uthenge noma u-McDonald yabo
Inoba.
ngiyakutshela sizohlangana sonke nje la kwi-live skiphe uyini nje u-$400 anibale lapho ama-fans uyini u-$400 angazalambu Lelo nithini laphana kuma-fans
Hello, Zero.
Ngizala ngabantu.
yebo une-calculator akabali lapho uthi $400 imalini
Sanibona kwi-panel.
onelokhuzana akabali yebo sami imbi kulezi nsuku kasho sinomkhuhlane imbi
Sawubona Zero, sanibona kwi-panel.
Sawona.
imabafu
Bona.
angina-topic cabanga ngivulile nje i-live angina-topic anginalutho
Zero.
ngingakhuluma ukukhuluma kakhulu
Ake sikhulume futhi.
$400 yeah
So ngayiphi currency?
so bala $400 lesifuna ukuthumela uLelo uthi malini sidinga malini kumarandi
Ngayiphi value yamanje noma ya 7 rand?
lesiphila ngayo
Siyatiteka manje yiphi value soyisebenzisa?
England Lioness ngena nawe Lioness siyabathumela manje
Izoshintsha ngempela yini?
Asazi.
Jo.
But makuthi iyashintshwa ke kufuneka amabhenki ascompensate yonke le mali esiyiluzile. Because mangathiwa siyabala nje all this time shothi umuntu akaba yimillion ne.
Sure, Zero. Uthini bafo? I'd like to greet all of you ne. Nizongicolela mina angimzulu mina ngitswana yabo.
You can speak Tswana, Baf. You can speak English, anything. We'll hear you. We know all the languages.
Okay. Today, I know you don't have a topic, but I just wanted to ask you what is your two cents about the South African harbors? You know those Durban harbors, the ports, also those ones in Cape Town. What do you know about them?
Bafo. Mina ngikuzwile ngalokho ukuthi ngathi adayiselwe inkampani angaziphi kodwa somehow la
From Australia or yeah.
nazoka.
Do you know
inkampani nje?
Do you know how much they generated every year and how was the money generated?
Hey, anginalo ulwazi bafo mina.
You don't know. Those harbors they were initially created when they were trading. And you were trade as slaves and the goods from back then in the early 1600. So that's how South Africa had money because they used to charge nama toll gates.
Okay, iza nayo bafo.
ngathi sephumile yena.
Hawu. Eseza kahle ubafo wena waphuma.
Ima 1 minute. 1 minute la. Engeke ngichanya kubhorisa ukuba live yazo. Siba serious njalo la ekhaya. Njalo la ekhaya nje. Njalo nje ngeke yazi. Sengibuye ngingasakuthandi ukuba live yazi.
Mina
Siba
ngimbuzo
serious
wakho.
nje. Yeah, Munu. What's going on? Huh? You asked me a question
Wazona
then?
right.
Hey, angizwe ngani ngifuna ukukhuluma ngani. You can explain why amalokuzane engekho phephule. Why
Why
aren't your
people?
things not purple? Are you not supporting the movement?
What moment?
Yeah, ladies.
What
The
moment?
movement, I'm a purple profile pictures. There's a big movement in
I
Zala.
don't even know. TikTok
Sit
kwami
down, I'm a
usunokushintsha
feminist,
usungiveza
man.
amavidiyo ala. Sekukancane ngibona
Ufesani?
amavidiyo ala. Amavidiyo ala.
Oh, so you look ama videos from there in America. Awusawabona wangala kakhulu. I
Yenzeka
understand what.
ngabona. Kodwa.
But nje.
Mhm.
Yes. Kahle kahle sithi nje down ngama-feminist. The-feminist movement, angazi kodwa. Do people agree on that? I think bafuna ukususa i-GBV, gender-based violence. Kuzoba ne-protest kanjani. I don't know. Things like that. Kuningi that's really going on. Nangu uMaZulu. Let's greet uMaZulu. It's the first time efika la. Ngiyaqala ukumbona. Let's go straight kulaba abaqala nga ungena. Khona abaqala nga ungena. Engabazi qala ngisho ubabona. Asibabingelele. Angiqale ngoWendy. Wendy,
Hello,
kunjani Wendy?
ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Welcome. Yazi ngijabule. It's my first time seeing you la phezulu. Cabanga ngijabulani.
Yeah,
What inspired you to ungene mama? What's on your mind, Nkosazana? What have you been thinking? Maybe you can share with us.
hayi,
Solalela.
ufuna ukungikhipha-ke. Hawu,
Ngeke ngikhiphe. I promise. Ngeke ngikhiphe. Oh, ngicala ngisho ukungena. Ngeke ukhishwe wena.
I'm worried nge-Sudan, so angazi, I'm not sure if
What's
this
going
thing
on
is
in
gonna
Sudan?
happen here in South Africa. Like the way abantu ababulawa ngakhona. So I'm not sure if this could happen la eSouth Africa, the way abantu bafuna ngakhona umcebo.
Okay. So people are getting unalived.
Yes.
Yo. And what do you do when for a living? No, what are your talents? What are you talented at, ma'am? Like inje. Anonzi uthi talent noma i-passion ibizwa ngani welelo? What? Whoa, yeah. Tell us. What inspires you, Nkosazana? Yeah. What inspires you?
Okay. Like passion, my passion.
Yeah. I-passion yakho.
Okay.
Siqale i-passion. Uthandani?
Your passion. I love singing, yes.
Like swimming. Nice.
Singing.
Wow.
Like ukucula.
Singing.
Yeah.
Culele, guy. Busiculaele phela.
Awungadlali.
Titila amavesi ambalwa. Angithi?
No, ngeke ngikhone ukucula. Ngeke vele ngijumusa
Please,
ngicule
sing
bese ngiyacula.
sing for us. Sing for like ucula into enkanjani? Is it gospel? Is it amapiano? Is it slow jam? Is it Afro pop? What? Inothandayo nje ucula kakhulu. What is it?
It depends, but ngingena kuyo yonke indawo.
Mama, then sing for us. This, like, what better audience do you have than this one? And ngisanda iqali live kwamanje basa 144 basazonyuka. We just want to hear you, yabo kancane nje. Just share ngama ones and twos. Like 1 2 phela.
Yo, hawe ma. Nanokwenza ngisanda kubuya emsebenzini. Ngizocula ngithini nje ngiyikhathalele kanjena.
Noma yiphi yazi. Just eyodwa. You never know who's listening. Inkinga ileyo, you never know who's listening. You might be. I-content yakho, is it you singing kuma-videos akho wenza njani? What happens kuma-video?
No, I don't.
Like
I haven't.
ku-TikTok?
I haven't been doing ilokuzani nama content like singing. Yo, I actually retired in music and yabo. But I do have a song like
You even have a
TikTok
song?
like
Awuyidlali?
Hayibo idlalwa kanjani-ke ngi-live kanje la ku-TikTok?
Mele angazi ngizwithu. Jesu ngiyayifuna ukuyidlala nami nje. What's the name of the song? Ngizoyibheka ku-YouTube.
Check lapho
Ngathi nga-excited.
write my name, it's Wendy. Then title ithi Udlalile.
I'm gonna follow you, yeah.
Okay.
Wendy Udlalile. Ngiyacela, someone go search for the song. Come back masuyitholile sizobe sisayilalela. Search for it ku-YouTube. It's uWendy, lo Wendy lobhalwe la ngithi.
Yeah, with ZY.
With a Z. Oh, Wendy with a ZY. Anyone, please go find the song. Come back. Ushutu, you found the song. The name of the song, the name of the artist is Wendy with a Z and a Y. The name of the song is Udlalile. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Zakala. Since you don't wanna sing,
And then a pig, it's black and white.
Oh, it's Tombe Sayo, it's black and white. We need to hear the song, man. We need to hear the song. Noma sidlala ukusiculela yona. Yabo, this is exposure for you though. Like big exposure. Yabo. Sifuna waziwe. Ngathi unga-ona nane-camera yazi, ngithi ngibo.
Yo ngilele.
Kumele sikwazi.
Okay, mana-ke ngigqoke ikala ngigqokanga.
Awugqokile. I don't know how to respond to that. I don't know. I don't know what's the right way to respond to that. Angazi. You found the song, Samgelo. Uthi, you found the song. Ima. Welelo. Ima lelo.
Bengithi mengikubona kujabula inhliziyo yami, inhliziyo yami. Angizitsheli nawe nawe ungazitsheli nawe, iyodwa into yokwenza ukuthi mina nawe sishiyelane.
Ay, vale lapho Leli, vale lapho. Thank you, Lelo. Thank you.
Oh,
Vale lapho
kuphala.
vele. Ay, yakhuphuka untombazane. Yo. Hayi ngeke. Let's unmute you, Lela. Ngifuna umuntu omutile. Lingamute. Let's let her explain the what inspired the song. Yazi uyawazi nje ukucula. Hayi bo. Wewendi.
Yeah.
Wewendi. Ufihla into engaka. Wendi.
Hi, boo.
You're good nje Wendy. You're good nje. Like you're good Wendy. Yabo. Mase ukuthathe sikufake kwi-studio nje ngempela. You could give us something big, man. Wow. You should do i-content. Le content le whereby so mhlawumbe you singing kanje. It will be a big advantage when izokunika exposure ebantwini. Could be known.
Well, I'm gonna try if I get maybe a free time. Isikhathi esiningi ngiba busy, ngiba sesibhani.
Shiya indaba yesipani. Ungafocus kakhulu emsebenzini. Umsebenzi awubuyiseli. Chase the dream. You never know ukuthi impilo izokuyisaphi. If you focus on one thing kakhulu, which is umsebenzi, you wake up in the future unama-regrets having never chased that dream yakho. So I don't know. Give it a try. Give it a try. Wendy. Hayi. Shine.
Yeah, I'll give it a try.
You should give it. Uzusiculela uthi ngikuphumuza kancane ngoba uthe usayogqoka. Ukuphumuza. Kusamele u-on i-mic, u-on i-screen, usiculele. Noma kancane ushishe ngama-ones and twos. Kulinde ugqoke kodwa. Let's go to Lioness. Lioness, I've always been requesting you and I know now uyazi. Sawubona. Hi. Is it
Hi.
Lioness? Am I saying it right? Yeah, I think so.
Hi.
How are you, Nkosazana?
I'm
How are
good, and
you?
yourself? I'm
I'm
okay.
very good. I'm very good. I've been trying so hard to get you on this panel.
I know.
Yeah.
I know, but
You
why?
know.
Yeah, because you've always
Because
been requesting me to join the panel, and I always decline. You know.
yeah, you do. Labo mina, I know what having you here would be like. It's a great impact for abantu abaningi. We are about to learn a lot from you. We are about to learn a lot from you.
What are you going to learn from me?
So much. I want to start with we see the flag, which means either you living in the UK or you working there. What's going on there?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on
Oh
with that
yeah, I
flag?
work there.
You work there. So currently, right now, where are you? Like South Africa, UK,
No,
Europe?
I'm
Where are
in the
you right
UK.
now? You're in UK.
Yeah.
And how's that? How is that living with the enemy? Must be hard.
Living with them.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Uh-huh.
It's okay.
You're coping.
Yeah, I'm coping.
How long have you been in the UK?
Since 2023.
Ha. Okay. Here's the challenge. Awuthi, it's water. It's water.
No, I know
Phone
how to say
ngempela.
water.
Say it. You're not saying it the right way. Say it the
It's
right way.
water.
No. Uyayilahla wena lento. Uyayilahla wena lento.
No.
Say it the proper
No,
way. The British
I'm a
way.
South African, my guy.
You're supposed to say water. Water. Am I even dumb?
No.
It's water.
No.
But okay. And then what do you do for a living though? Must be something interesting.
I'm a social worker.
Oh wow. And do you deal specifically with kids, or is it adults or old people? Where do you specialize?
I work with child protection.
Child protection. Oh wow.
Mm.
And I know there are a lot of cases like I know the enemy raises their kids in a different way, in a different manner. right? So how do you handle like your job, being a black South African who's living in the UK, in a different country, culture shock, everything, and you also have to do your job? How do you navigate that?
I think it's just through learning, because you know it's very different from South Africa, from everything that we do in South. So everything is just different. So you learn, you actually learn. But I wouldn't say it's easy. It's not easy really, because there's a lot of things that will shock you really.
Yeah, yeah, I get you. And I know over there they don't beat their children. See, now we beat them. In some
You beat
instances, maybe,
them.
oh, we
Why do you
beat
beat
them.
children, neighbor?
Oh, we beat them. Ingane ehluphayo, we beat them. Yabo, just nje ukuthi iye uhlupha ibe right.
Just say they used to, not now. They used to
Okay,
beat us, not the little kids.
yeah, allegedly we beat them. Allegedly.
No,
So in the other country, like in the UK, I know most of isitha raises ingane zabo in a different manner. Maybe it might not be the right way because they end up as spoiled. And how do you navigate that? Maybe ingane might not be dealing with the trauma, family issues. Maybe nje ingane just needs nje induku. How do you deal with that?
no. There's no. You don't. They don't. Let me just say, don't allow you, whether spanking or beating, as you are saying. But there's
Little
other ways to
spanking. If
do
you
it.
beat them, beating.
No, can't say
Spanking.
beat.
Who's spanking, Bella? Spanking. We beat them. You know, Trevor Noah explained this very well. I don't know if you watched it, but it's okay. Yeah, please explain it, please, Pasamisa. Yeah, I'm genuinely interested in hearing your response.
No, what I'm saying is that there's different ways. Normally, they would prefer you to be obviously sitting the child down, speaking with them. If they do need like professional help, then that's when you can refer for professional help, like psychologists, psychiatrists, or whatever that you might think that would help. That's the way we deal with, instead of beating, just trying to find ways of how to help the child if there is any help that the child might need. Because sometimes it's not about beating the child, it's also about hearing what the child is saying. There might be a lot of underlying issues that could make the child to misbehave, or behave in a way that you think is problematic or something. But yeah, we encourage to speak to the child, refer to other professional assistance or support.
Yeah, I get that. I get it. In a way, kodwa phela angithi ingane needs to be like disciplined. And I know ukuthi usually our enemies bona bajwayele ukuthi ba-implement the whole detention thing. Mhlawumbe uthi ihambe ekamereni, sits in a bedroom, plays the phone, or maybe mhlawumbe uphuca ifone or goes sits in the corner. There's usually some form of discipline, yabo. But what if it doesn't work? Because see now, in South Africa, or should I say, the black community, it has been tried and tested and tried. Whatever, kodwa nje, it has been proven ukuthi a good beating can fix a lot. Yabo. It's therapeutic both for the child and for the parent. Yabo. In such a way ukuthi
But says
bayakwazi
who?
ukubonda.
Is it therapeutic? Bo, can't be therapeutic when you are hurting someone.
Bayakwazi ukubonda over that sensation, yabo. Ukuthi okay,
Oh, but no,
ingane
it
did
can't be
something wrong.
therapeutic. I mean, whose therapy is it? Is it for the child, or for the parent who's beating the child? There's no
Ngiyabona
way that it's
uyi-understand le
therapeutic.
ndaba yenduku. I guess.
No, I'll never understand. Ngeke ngi-understand.
No, but sometimes it's the only way yabo, to fix izinto. What
Mm,
did you say? Okay, how would you go about dealing with ingane that's acting out as someone who has studied izinto and is practicing it lay in the UK? Dealing with ingane as umuntu omnyama ke yabo.
mm.
How would you recommend umuntu omnyama deal with ingane that is acting out yabo, engalaleli yabo? Since wena uthi we should not beat them neither with ipayipi.
As I've already said, Uguti, you need to speak to the child. You hear the child what he's saying, Uguti. What is their problem? If they are unable to say
To
their
the child,
problem, then
how?
yes,
Why?
yeah, why not?
Izocabanga
Is a
ukuthi
child
umngani
not a
wayo
human
inkinga
being?
nje.
Is a child not a human
Izocabanga ukuthi
being? Do they
umngani
not have
wayo.
feelings? Do they not have their
Izoyitshela
thoughts?
ukuthi, I think as the parent you should assert dominance at an early age, right? Separate
No.
from friendship and parenting. Separate the two.
I understand separating parenting from friendship, but still, a child has their own mind. They have their own feelings. They have just like every human being that it's born. It has feelings. It has their thoughts. So, just because she's 9 years old doesn't mean that she can't tell what is wrong or what is bothering them. So now, if you're saying that beating a child that's the only way to solve problems. I don't think that's the correct way. Even in South Africa, I don't think that's the correct way. To beat a child just because maybe they are problematic. There might be something that the child is going through that a parent doesn't know. And if you are a parent who resort in beating the child than hearing the child, how are you going to know that this child might be
To
having,
know that this
or
child might be
there might be
having,
something wrong with the
or
child that is happening to them, and because they're afraid to tell you whether you are a child beater, how are you going to know what your child is going through if you can't speak to them?
Phela wena, I think lento uyibuka in a bad way yabo, ekutheni ukuthi manje usuthi uyi-child beater. It's not being a child beater. All of this comes from a
Or
place
you
of
are an
love.
aggressive parent. You can be
It,
aggressive because sometimes your children need to be open to tell you things. If they can't tell you things, how are you going to know when your child is being bullied from school, when your child is being maybe abused, whether it's sexual or whatever? How are you going to know when now you are an aggressive parent, when the child tells you something, the only solution is to beat them or shout at them?
I get you, right? Let's agree to disagree at least. This is what I like. This is why I knew you coming here would change the atmosphere. I guess we should agree to disagree in a way, because a good beating, like I'm saying, a good beating is therapeutic both for the child and for the parent, because they bond over that conflict. It creates that bond, that friendship. Okay, that happened. So in a few minutes after
But
that,
also,
with you, yeah,
no, it
yeah.
also creates fear in a child because if the solution is for you to beat them so that you can create the bond, why is not talking to them being the bond and creating that trust between you and the child?
Sawubona Zero.
Okay.
Sawubona Lioness.
Yeah,
Hi,
Putumkani. Yes.
Angiyaphila ninjani?
Yaphina unjani bro?
Fine.
Siswami,
Mm.
angiphiki nalento oyishoyo. Nawe Zero, ingane iyashawa bafethu. Mina ngakhuliswa ngenduku. Kodwa umzali wayengitshela straight ukuthi lalela ngikudisciplina for 1 2 3. Yabo? Wayengishaya eqede ekhulume nami. Yayibo? Bengifuna
Yeah,
ukusho nje
well,
lokho bafethu.
exactly. Ishindugu. There's nothing wrong with Indugu, Lioness. It's
Mm-mm.
therapeutic. Yeah.
Maybe
Hayi.
for some people it is, but not for everyone. I don't agree that beating someone is therapeutic. I think it's also creating trauma for the child as well.
Uthi uLioness is-traumatise iy'ngane ngokuyishaya. Uthi omdala sawubona.
Ya, sanibona nonke. Nami ngicela ukusho nje few things. Angazi kumbusisa angangiphendula if yena angazi abazali nakakhulu abakaze nje bamtholakala bambeka isandla angazi ephutha lakhe or angazi angakhona ukuphendula before ngibeke i-opinion.
For mina, okay.
Yeah.
That is why I said before when I was speaking to Zero Oguti, maybe this thing was happening to us, being beaten, being shouted at. And I would say for me, it has never been about bonding. I think if someone beats you, it depends also. As you're saying, Gucci, sometimes you bazokushaya and then they would say what they are beating you for, but does it solve anything anyway?
Yeah, to my own knowledge, it does, because you see your mistake. Angazi kumbe wrong. If I'm saying
You're
that.
right.
As a child, you can see it's okay. I have done something wrong. Bangishayela lo. They beat me because
Yeah,
of
this
this.
is my mistake.
And then you
But
learn.
also ukhuluma nomuntu
Angazi.
akumtshengisi khona ukuthi
But
wrong. Why does it have to get to beating a child than ukuthi ukhulume naye umntwana umbonise ukuthi lento yenzile wrong? Why does it have to
okay,
get there to beating?
what if
Because once
ngiyazama
you beat
ukukhuluma
ingane,
naye akayiboni lento?
umtshene
Because you
umntana
know as a child now umntwana like sometimes bakukhuza many times always ukuthi ngiyabekisa if something bakuhlale bakutshela ngayo, do not put this here. You are always putting it there because you are a child, angithi.
Yeah.
But once bangathi kanye nje hayi ukuthi bakulimaza or bakutraumatize or kanye nje kancane, you will always remember.
Exactly.
Angazi kumbe nginamanga.
No, guys. A child is a child, as we are saying now, ukuthi wena as umntwana, even if bangakuthethisa bakushaye, you can still do the same thing that they're telling you because you are a child. I think also another thing is that sometimes we treat children as if abantu abadala.
No,
And
sometimes
ukhumbule ukuthi umntwana ingqondo yakhe it's not yet matured enough ukuthi angayenza izinto the way umzali azisho ngakhona because usakhula usadeveloper. So for that person meaning ukuthi loyo muntu lo usakhula kunezinto vele azoziyenza ama mistakes.
Girl.
but angazi kumbe it's because abantwana abafani because there's different child udila njani nemuntu oslow learner like
So kusho ukuthi wena uzoshaya if loyo mntwana lo uyi-slow learner uzohlala shaywa njalo because
no, I'm
yena
not saying
kunezinto angakhona ukuziyenza wena ezifunwa umzali.
No, I'm not saying phela umuntu uyakhona ukuba slow learner in different way. Angazi kumbe understand.
In which
you can be
different
clever
ways?
eklasini. You
Yeah.
can be clever eklasini, ne?
Yeah.
But very slow to things, even to butter your body. You see, simple things like that. But very clever eklasini. Ushaya bo level 6 in class, but when it comes to cleaning your body, cleaning yourself, looking after yourself, we are lack. Things like
So
that.
maybe
you see,
shy
because,
ukuthi wena uyaleka ukuthi ugeze or like I don't
yeah,
understand
looking.
where you are getting with that.
Ma-Lioness,
No, I'm not
ile nto
saying
engizama
me.
ukutshena yona ile nto engizama ukutshena yona Lioness ukuthi induku acts as a
Ukuthini?
mediator between ingane
To what?
nomzali.
So
Yeah,
what
did you hear what I have to say?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, ngicela uPaula la.
Paula.
Kunalento le eyenziwe abazali noma eyakishiwo abazali ukuthi uma ngabe ufuna ukuthi ingane iyeke into, kusuke kufanele ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ibuzwe ubuhlungu baloyo nto. Ngizokwenza isibonelo nje sokuthi back in the days bekusetshenziswa amakhandlela ngithi ukulayita. So bebezosho abazali ukuthi okay, if ufuna ingaphindi ukuthi kuthinte ingane ikhandlela, iyeke ishe. Ngeke buye iphinde ikuthinte. Okusho ukuthi sometimes ingane ukuthi uyishaye usuke ungeva uyihlukumeza. Kukhona ukushayela ukuthi uyahlukumeza, kukhona ukushaya ukuthi ingane uyishayela ukuthi uyayidisciplina, ufuna ukuthi iyeke into. Angazi noma iyayenza nesense lento engiyishoyo.
But ikhandlela sisukushaywa asinto efanayo because ukhandlela umlilo ukushaywa and if I'm making a mistake doesn't mean ukuthi njalo ngizoyenza imistake eyi-1 ngizoyenza ama-mistake ahlukene and as I'm saying ukuthi ingcondo yomntana neyomzali ayifani.
Akusiwo wonke ama-mistake abazokushaya kuwo.
Yeah, but you guys are saying that for a person ukuthi afunde mina ngithi mele ashaywe.
Not
No,
really.
Not all the time.
Uyizwa kabi sesilendaba. Okay. Indlela esikhuliswe ngayo kuqala siya-understand ukuthi ihlukile ngendlela esikhuliswe ngayo manje. Mhlambe usisi uphusha isimanje but kodwa indlela esikhuliswe ngayo kuqala isikhande lamadoda esiyiwona avothiwe namhlanje. Ngizokhuluma nje into eqondile.
But not everyone.
Ingane imasisi. Ingane iyenza into ngokungazi ubungozi bayo. Asikhulume ngengane encela u-breast milk from umawayo. Uma ngabe isisusa ingane yayiluma ibele, ukuze ingane ibone ukuthi ibele kumele ilume yenziwa njani sesi?
Angazi yenziwa kanjani. Ngiyawuzwa ngawo.
Yabo nje lapha esandleni ibanjwa nje ngo-2 fingers. Leyo pain encane izohlezi semqondweni wengane ukuthi ibela kuyona into yokudlala.
Let the road spoil the child.
Yabo, so iqala lapho lento. Uyabona into leyo ukuthi it is our responsibility as parents ukuthi ingane siyifundise to differentiate u-right from u-wrong. And ngempela even noma uyidiscipline ingane kuyaye kuthiwa ungayishaya ngempama, ungayishaya ngesibhakela, ishaye ngoswazi. We understand? Uyithinte izitho ngoswazi. Ingane iyafunda from ukudiscipline depending ekoneni kwayo ingane ukuthi yoneka kangakanani. Sina kushapeile seswami. Kushapeile mina bengikade ngikwazi ukubona into from ilapha kuthi uthi yabo le yande lena mangayenza angeke zifike kahle kumzali wami kuzonyini ngisheshe ngiyeke.
Because usaba umzali but if
no angeke sikubize ngokusaba but kodwa ungenze ngasheshe ngayibona into errong from era
because usaba ukuthi uzoshaya
inkosi yami
lento izwa kambi ifika kambi lento kuwena yazi.
Ngicela ukubuza umbuzo owodwa Lioness. If bekungawe buzodiscipline kanjani ingane?
Njengoba sengishilo ukukhuluma nengane.
Uthini kuyona?
When
utshela ukuthi this is wrong,
uyayishaya ingane ngithi bathi uyayishaya.
Utshela ukuthi this is wrong ungaphindi uyenze.
Bathi uyayishaya ukhulume. Why ungakhulumi kuphela ukushaya kungenaphi?
Awukazi ushaya wena kini?
Ngeke ngashaya.
Wawushayelani?
Khona lokho
waphinde wakwenza into waphinde wakwenza lokho.
It doesn't matter ukuthi ngokwenzile or ngokwenza but okusalayo what I'm saying is that uba ne fear. It creates fear.
You learn.
It's akuyona fear Lioness. Akuyona fear Lioness. Mina ngikhule ngishawa like sometimes usola ukuthi kwamina usola ukuthi okay fine ngiyayibona lento engiyenzayo ukuthi wrong and ngizofika ngishawe ekhaya but still ngiyenza.
Yeah, I like this. Yes, I'm confused. Lioness. If ipinda after you talked.
No. Yima show you ukuthi even ngikhula Bengiye ngibone nami ukuthi okay fine. Angikhulumi ukuthi manje sengimdala sengikwazi ukuthi ngizenzele into zami. Ngikhuluma ngino 8 years to mhlambe 15 years. La ngangisanisuba lokuthi ngishawe khona. La ngangikwazi khona ukuthi ngilalela umzalo ukuthi uthini. Angikhulumi ngezingane ezi less than 5 years ezingazi.
Okay. Mina ngithi kunobhuti othe la umntwana yena bebamshaya and bebaphinde basho ukuthi bamshayelani. Right?
Kufanele kube njalo vele.
Yeah, uyashaywa mara baphinde bamtshela ukuthi bamshayelani.
Yeah.
Why kungasi ukuthi uyamtshela umntwana umtshele the way usho ukuthi uyamshaya ukhuluma. Why ungakhulumi naye before?
Well, ezinye izinto uthola ukuthi umntwana
Kuzube nini umtshela?
Because I understand. Because I understand. Kuyafana ukushaya doesn't mean ukuthi umuntu uzo understand.
No, la naso na ingane?
Nayo ingane.
Ingane nani?
Una 8.
Oh. 8. Uhlala eMzansi noma uhlala la? Uhlala UK. Uhlala UK? Ingakho ungamshayi.
No.
Ingakho
bengamshayi kwase South Africa
ngashayela yena. Abantu
bakini yazi ukuthi yazi
family members akho afuna kabi ukushaya.
Yazi ukuthi ekhaya kunama twins ana 4 years and indlela agange ngayo yazi ukuthi ingane ngeke uzoyikhuza simusa ukugibela kusofa ngeke uzuyitshela ingane all the time simusa ukugibela kusofa ngexesha lengcolile
because that person is a child.
Yeah, that's what
other children are doing.
Ile nto engishoyo ukuthi
exactly.
Ile nto engisho ukuthi u4 years wasekhaya wagibela kusofa kanye ngecathulo wathethiswa waqhubeka wakwenza lokho wafaka isicathulo enqeni hayi ukuthi uyayibhonya ingane ufaka isicathulo uphaqe enqeni uyitshela ukuthi ungaphindi uyenze lento oyenzayo. Yabona ukuthi as much as esayingane sometimes uyakhohlwa aphinde uyogibela futhi ngecathulo bese uvela uyambuka okanye udonsa uphaqe uyazi fanele enzeni.
Asukusabisa lokho
akufanele ukwenze lokho.
Asukumsabisa na?
No, akona ukumsabisa.
Ukenza
Ukumbuza.
Ukumsabisa.
Akona ukumsabisa.
No, ukumsabisa. Because why you don't part ukuthi aza understand?
No, because now phela
awukhuluma
ufuna kwenziwe njani wena? Ufuna senze njani wena?
Nanokuthi ingane
uthola ukuyela uthi
niyahlala kosofuna ingane
makakhulelanga UK ngifika
pamwethu
imaki yazi ngisazobuya ebusuku yazi at around angizorequest akumele we need to continue this one. How do you ukhuluma nengane uthe ingane yakho ina how many years? 8.
Yeah,
ina 8 years 8 months.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm sure that in the future abantu bakini if you come to South Africa bazoyishaya uma wakho mhlambe.
No, are we speaking about the future? Because my child didn't grow up in the UK. We only came here when she was only 6, and it's not like ukulele la. Ukulele South Africa. Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Then stop sparing the rod. Stop spare the rod. Spoil the child.
No.
Shaya, at least use a belty.
Yeah, umntwana uyamthethisa uyakhuluma naye. That's it. Not beating the child.
And what if he or she doesn't listen?
They don't listen. You they will get to that point where they listen.
They listen. How?
Because you don't have patience.
Where is that point? Why
you don't have patience? Why do you want to force a child to do things according to you as a child, as an adult?
It's not force, it's love.
It's force. It's force because you are using force.
Yabo, you're gonna take him or her and then you show her the love.
But you're using force. You're using force.
No, you don't get it.
And you're saying that is okay. No, okay.
You're gonna take him or her, lay down, then you show him or her the love, man. I assure you, after that, whatever it is, I enjoy also yek.
But But
Wash
bangakho
out.
abantu bayaziyo ukuthi bakhule bashaywa and they still never change how they did things.
Bancane, washawe wena.
Bancane.
Look at you,
Yeah,
washawe.
ngashaywa mina.
Look at you. You turned out good. You turned out nice. Awuna trauma.
Says who? Who says I don't have trauma? You
Awunayo
don't know how
trauma.
I grew up. I cannot say I don't have trauma because of that. You don't know me.
Kanja, and the father, is he okay with that?
Okay with what?
Ukuthi ingane ishawe.
Yeah.
Ngeke kanjani mhlawumbe wenzela wena. It can't be. As I want to close this live, manje I really don't believe like lento isho you actually believe in it.
I believe in it.
But why?
I believe in it.
This? Why are you like this? I'm trying to understand.
Why am I doing what?
No, like why are you like this? Just what I'm trying to understand.
Like what?
Like mhlampe, why are you so against ukuthi ingane ishawe? What's wrong?
Because I'm saying that it creates trauma for the child, and sometimes abantwana they yes they might turn out okay, but some of them don't turn okay just because they were beaten by their parents. They actually become worse, and they also they become violent to other children as well. You know, because that's the only way they know. Solution is to fight. Solution is to beat someone, because I was taught that if I do a mistake, I need to be punished for that, because it's a punishment, really.
But it comes from a place of love. It's not like when are you treating this as if ingane abuse, when in
But
actuality
also,
it's just
there's parents who are abusing children. Yes, kunabazali othi, okay, as I was saying, there's a spanking, there's beating. Because when you're saying you are beating a child, it's something else.
spanking. Yeah, and spanking is for for white people. We don't spank it now. What's
No,
that?
guys, no.
We don't
When you're
spank.
saying
We
that you're
beat the
beating a child,
child.
when you're tutor, because now beating is something else.
Spanking is for white people. So I assure you, in Tabelung, spanking. Beat the child. You beat the child. At least is he right?
Beat. No.
So when you don't see yourself ever nje, ever, even in the near future, ever nje, ushaya ingane yakho.
No, I don't think that's the correct way.
And what if mhlampe kwenzeka iba spoiled?
And then it's spoiled. Abekho abantwana ba-spoiled emhlabeni.
Yeah, but omunye umuntu won't understand. Omunye umuntu will beat ingane yakho. Is that okay? If omunye
But
umuntu
does it mean
does the
that when
beating
you're
for
beating
you?
a child, they will always turn the way you want them to be? Because I think as a parent, you need to understand ukuthi, yes, we will have children, babe bancane sibakhulise babe badala, then they make their own choices. And it so meaning that if I'm being beaten and the only way I know ukuthi a solution is being sought in beating someone, then sometimes that person will turn out to be someone who beat other people so that they can understand them.
Ngiyayibona le approach oza nayo, but it's not working because this is not abuse. Ngiyabona when you wanna frame it as if like the parent is abusing ingane. Abuse, that's a whole nother subject. La, it's just ngizothini uye-reprimand angazi ngisho ukuthi ngizoyibiza ngani, but it's not abuse though, because it comes from a place of love.
So talking is not coming from a place of love.
Talking never works.
It never works.
Sawubona bhuti omdala.
It never works.
Khulumani.
Sure, Zulu kanjani?
Hayibo.
Hamba kahle.
Awukhulume nawe kamazwi ufuna ukumnika wona usisi. I-motivation.
Mfowethu kade ngirequesta ngimlalela usisi. Usisi inkinga yakhe uyayispoil ingane yakhe noma uyayithanda na mara
Uyispoila
uyayispoil.
kanjani?
Ukuthi ingane iqala isencane mayiqala ukuhamba ngamadolo nje. Lalela sisi, ingane mayisencane iqala ukuhamba ngamadolo ifunda ukuhamba. Iqala lapho ukushaywa nethi ihambe ngasegedleleni lapha ishaya lapha esandleni ingane. Iyazi
Ukuthi phela
ukuthi lapha
uzohlala uyishaya
iyakhona
wena ingane because
kurong.
ingane ifunda
Yebo.
iyafunda. Maye ekhabetheni iyafunda. Mayizama ukuwalka or icrawler izoya endaweni ezi-wrong vele. So kumele kwenziwe njani?
That means wena ingane le ngane yakho ikhule ungazange uyishaye noma ingayegedle noma yayisiye egedleleni bewuvela uyithathe uloko uyiqophile njalo nje.
Yes.
Uzodlala game every
Lo
time.
uyibhekile wena ingane yakho ingeke ize iye egedleleni.
Every time you're watching ingane 24 hours a
Yazi
day.
abamalume izawuthi mayifika sisi wami komalume bayo ingane bazoyishaya bayibhonye straight. Uyose ucabanga ukuhamba naye ubuyele nayo la ukhona manje.
Ngizobe ngiyishelani nabo malume nabazali?
Sizayishaya impela kumele yazi right nokurong.
Sanibona.
Yebo umuntu obudala vele uhlala udabeni shona kuyena mawuthi khona ibhasi ufuna umupha yona.
Mina ngizothi nje angali ukuthi ingane yingane and futhi ingane izokwenza into yezingane and kuphuma kuwena mzali ukuthi uzoyifundisa kanjani. Uma uyifundisa mhlambe let's say ukuyireprimenda. Uma ukhuluma nayo, ukhuluma kuyasebenza but to a certain extent. But nakhona futhi ukushaya na kuyangena to a certain extent. Akwazi ukuthi yebo ayazi into wrong ne right uma ungamkhalimeli kusasa mexakile uzothini uzothi ufundisa ubani mhlambe uyibone kuphi leyo nto.
Akusukukhuluma lokho. Akusukubuza. Understand ukuthi uyifundephi uyitholephi. So ukushaya kona kungena kuphi?
Ukushaya kungena lapha yabona uma uyingane uganga. Mhlawumbe ngathi wena ingane yakho ayigangi kodwa uzoba nabangani. Bazoganga bebonke. Ikhona isikhathi lapho kumele khona ukuthi umreprimende and umshaya awumshaya ingathi uyambulala. Umshaya kahle umkhombisa ukuthi i-wrong lento uyenzile ungaphinde uyenze futhi. Ngoba uma wakhuluma naye amane eqhubeka okhula nayo lento adabe emdala mehlupha abantu mhlambe ayoshaya abantu zabe usithi hayi wena ingane yakho i-right ingane yakho zangishaya.
Ngoba ungamkhuzanga leyo mntana loyo.
Ingane mawuyikhuza iyalalela ngesinye isikhathi ayilaleli.
Mawushaya iyalalela.
Iyalela mawushaya.
Iyakwazi ukuthi ilalele sisi wami.
No.
Ngiyakutshela.
Uthi no.
Lalela sisi weziro. Awuthi ngomphela usisi ne. Yazi sisi kunezingane la ngaphandle ezinye zihlala emgwaqweni khona manje ne. Mawucabanga ukuthi yini isizathu salezo ingane?
Yini isizathu salezo ingane ukuthi zenze? There's a lot of different reasons why umntwana angayi estradeni.
Sisi umbuzo la uqonde kuwena.
Ngithi mina there's a lot of different reasons why a child will go to the street.
Ingane zimgaqweni.
Yabona ke lezo ingane zange zifuna ukulalela abazali. Zazingakufuna ukushayela umthetho ekhaya, azifuna ushayo. Zabaleka zahamba zayokhulela emgaqweni.
Some of them babalekiswa ukushayo ekhaya.
Babalekiswa ukushayo. No, just because bafuna ukuzimela, abafuna ukuthiwa wrong.
No, some of
the
them
most of
babalisa
them
ngokushaya ekhaya.
lalela, the most of them emakibo akuna next edingakalayo, akushotwanga next, but abafuna ukukhuzwa. So watch out lapho,
So
uyazi
bafunani?
ingane yakho
Bafuna
le
ukushaywa.
izokhula wena. Lalela sis.
Bafuna ukushawa. Let's see if the next person can convince. Angivele ngiye straight
Sanibona mfethu.
yebo.
Weleonesi. Mina mfethu angeke ngize ngikuxeke yabo. Ngizosho ukuthi mfethu ngendlela yakho nawe uright yabo. Kodwa ke enye into engingakuhle ukuthi uphinde uyibheke futhi. Ingane ungangayishaya manje, kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi mfethu impilo ngeke ize iyishaye. And ingane oyikhulise ngokuthi mfethu awuyishayi uyayitotoza. Ngeke uhlezi ukhona wena
Ubani uthe
empilweni yayo.
uyatotosa ingane? Ukukhuluma nengane, ukukhuza ingane ukuyitotosa.
Ukuyitotosa
Ngiyaxolisa uma ngibeke mhlampe ngendlela mfethu engazwakali kahle kuwena,
No,
kodwa ngeke
iyazwakala,
uhlezi
ngiyakuzwa.
ngizwe ukuthi ngithini. Ngeke uhlezi ukhona wena ukuthi uyohlezi uyivikela ekutheni mfethu ingashayeki empilweni. Impilo iyodwa sisingane isazoyinyisa. And mfethu yabo imisi ishawa impilo. Kuyovela obala ukuthi mfethu le ngane ikhule iyiqanda, and iy'ngane ey'kanjalo zithi uma seyishawe impilo sekufanele ibhekane nempilo ngqo. Uthole ukuthi azikho equipped, azikho strong ngokwanele ukuthi imelane nayo impilo, and kuyayilimaza futhi ingane.
I will never
Ayikuphi
understand
i-direction.
ukuthi ingane
Angikuzwa?
ibiswa strong ukuthi kumele ishaywe.
Lalela mntamami, yabo into iyakha sisi, and futhi mfethu kuyenzeka uthole bengiyalapha. Yabo thina ku-generation ya sikhuliswe ngayo, ngisho ey'koleni besithintwa ngayo, and lokho kusisizile, sikubone manje sesibadala, kusisizile. And i-most yabantu mina engifunde nabo sisi ba-discipline, bayahlonipha. Angeke uze ubabone benza lento eyenziwa ama-2K manje, nalezi ngane ezalwe zingama-born free nasi
Lawoness sizoqhubeka. Yebo, Mazulu ngiyaxolisa. Azi phelile kuzana, I have to go. So iqhubeka le live le ebusuku when I wake up, it's around midnight. I'm very sorry Mazulu, ngizokufollow so I can bring you back. Ngiyaxolisa.
No problem. Thank you.
I'm so sorry for this, Nadine. Lawoness sizoqhubeka ngeke. I need to go. Yes, above, yes. Okay. Naibu, no. Let's turn this off. I need to go. Uzawuthi la ndiyakhona, cheers. Drive ebusuku.